For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a sigh of relief for the overseas travellers, Home Ministry announced to ease visa restrictions imposed during lockdown. The Home Ministry allowed the overseas citizens of India and certain categories of foreigners with whom India has signed air bubble to fly into India. All OCI cardholders holding passports of such countries are permitted to enter India. The order also allows Indian nationals holding any type of valid visa of such countries to travel to that country, provided there is no travel restriction for entry of Indian nationals in that country. The foreigners from US, UK, Germany and France are allowed to avail Indian visa facility for business, medical and employment purposes. As per Home Ministry's notification, Indian citizens have also been permitted to travel to these countries. The Home Ministry also lifted restrictions for air bubble countries on movement of cargo or goods supplies. Home Ministry has lifted restrictions for air bubble countries on movement of cargo or goods and supplies in any vehicle, aircraft, ship, train, etc., along with their crew, sailor, driver, helper and cleaner. The order further allows the entry of foreign minors and students to India with at least one parent who is an OCI card holder. This order had allowed the entry of foreign minors and students having at least one parent who is either an Indian citizen or an OCI card holder, foreign nationals married to Indian citizens, and foreigners who are single parents with Indian passport or OCI card holding children. India has bilateral air travel arrangements with US, UK, Germany and France so far. The Home Ministry also stated that it might include other countries in the scheme in upcoming days. It has further considered the need for visa relaxation and travel restrictions for more categories of foreign nationals who want to travel to India and Indian nationals intending to visit other countries in the context of the air bubble scheme. Indian missions of these countries with whom air bubble arrangement is in place will grant appropriate visa and papers of the applicants. Airlines also should ensure that there are no travel restrictions for Indian nationals to enter the concerned country before issuing the tickets. It will be for the airlines concerned to ensure that there is no travel restriction for Indian nationals to enter the country concerned with the particular visa category before issue of tickets and boarding pass to the Indian passenger. Apart from allowing OCI citizens, India has allowed entry to dependent family members of foreign diplomat and service staff. However, family members are required to have official service passports with them. Centre had first announced relaxations for OCI cardholders on May 22nd. The government had earlier suspended visas of all foreigners on March 11th.